Previously, we've learned about the take function. Today, I'm going to show you one opposite function, which is the drop function. Sometimes exported data has some extra header rows or total rows or footer rows at the bottom. To remove these extra rows, we can use the drop function. Equal drop, and then select the array, comma, the number of rows that you want to remove. So in this example, I'm going to type in 3, close parentheses, to remove the first 3 rows of the data. And I also want to remove the total row, which is at the last row. So to remove the bottom row, I'm going to use a negative number. So drop, and then the first drop function is the array, comma, -1 to remove the last row, close parentheses, enter, and then the total row is removed nicely. Drop function is useful for cleaning exported data, removing headers, footers, without touching the raw data. Definitely try it out, and if you find this tutorial useful, make sure to follow me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.